some safety rules in the workshop. During the presentation, you must be quiet and listen to use.
Before you work, you must find out where everything is in the workshop, the exits and entrances, and the safety apparatus, fire extinguishers, alarms, bells, protective clothing, glasses, gloves. In the majority of the slides, in the bottom part, there is the translation of the rules. This will help you to understand the information better.
Here we have the photograph about the sign of the exit and entrance. There is also the photograph about the safety exit.
There is a picture of an extinguisher in front of the door of the workshop.
In this slide, there are two pictures about some glasses and some gloves. They are in the biggest cupboard in the technology workshop.
When undertaking a project in the workshop, never use a hand tools on any hand tools unless you have an instruction from your teacher and you are familiar with the correct use of a tool. If you have any questions about the use of hand tools, ask your teacher.
Now, here is the picture of Jonathan using a hand tool, and how he doesn't know how it functions. Wendy is helping him. She is reading the instructions to Jonathan. If you look very well, you can see that Jonathan is wearing protective glasses. It's correct, they are doing it well.
If you have an accident, you must report it immediately to teacher. With the photograph was behind taken and our student practiced Jonathan with a tool. He's explaining it to teacher Judith and she's looking at it. It's correct.
You must obey signs. There are 4 types of signs, and we are going to study them. There are mandatory, danger, first aid, and emergency, and prohibition. In this picture, it shows the symbol of these signs and some examples.
The mandatory sign is a circle with a blue background and a white symbol. In the example, there is a white exclamation mark and a lot more examples of signs.
The danger sign is a yellow triangle with a black border and a black symbol. In the exam, there is the symbol of privation and explains that it's dangerous and a lot more examples of danger signs.
The first aid and emergency sign is a rectangle with a green background and a white symbol. In the example, there is a white cross. This means that there is a medical kit close by. There are more examples of first aid and emergency signs here.
The prohibition sign is a circle with a white background and red borders. A red line through the middle of the circle and black seal. This means that you must not do certain things in this area. In the example, there is a sad face, and it means that in this area it is prohibited. Here we have some more examples about prohibition signs.
This is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your attention and for your silence. We hope that you like it.